The ColdOne is a 2-gallon mini portable kegerator. Comes with a tower, faucet, mini regulator on the back, 2 74-gram CO2 tanks. Inside you'll find a 2-gallon keg, which has a removable spear in it. A Sanky D connection that connects to the top of the spear. A tool that allows you to tighten and remove the spear of the keg. It also comes with a drip mat that goes below your faucet. Nice Coldbreak cup for you. Comes with sanitizer so you can clean your system, and also a faucet wrench so you can tighten down your faucet. Comes with a black tap handle. These are standard tap handle threads, so if you have your own custom tap handles, you can install those as well. Put that anywhere. We've had pretty good luck filling these at breweries, but you can make mixed drinks, margaritas, rum and cokes, whatever you want. We'll dispense out of this pretty easily. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, support@coldbreakusa.com.